Hi, welcome to Wednesday Tip. At Arbonne, if you use skincare regimen morning and night, you will get the best result. Our RE9 Advanced Formula, our hero line of course, this is the real deal. In this collection, I decided to use a cleanser, a toner, and intensive renewal serum, a corrective eye cream, and restorative cream, and also our the luxurious night repair cream. So let's get started. I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how I do my daily routine at night. First of course, I gotta clean my face, remove all the dirt and makeup on every day, just a size. Face, just like that. This is really it's smooth on your face. The second one is the toner. Just a couple of spray on your face, and with a cotton, all over your face. It's really good. It will really also clean on your face before putting the next one, the intensive renewal serum. This formula is the benefits on this one is also it visibly lift and firm your skin on your face. The fourth one is the corrective eye cream, and this will help lesser the puffiness of your eyes, under the dark circle under your eyes as well. It also helps. And also, the next one is the restorative cream. The last video I had that I explained it to you what will you get on each of these. Now I'm showing you on how to do your daily night routine before going to bed. And it's really give you the best result. This formula will hydrate and smooth your skin of your face. The last one is the luxurious night cream repair. Or you can use a spatula to apply on your face. This will give you a good morning, fully radiant skin. So I am challenging you guys for doing this for 30 days using your skincare regimen morning and night, and good luck. And this will give you really the best result. And I'm using this every night, and I always not forget to do this every night. And this is how I retain my youthful look. And don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and I'll see you next time on my video. Bye.